back with another hair video, and today I am going to be installing another wig for you guys. And the wig I have here is by Wigs. I have installed one of their units before, love their wigs. So I'm excited to see what this one is because I forgot. So when you open up the packaging, I got the wig, and then I have a wig cap, and it comes in this little satin drawstring pouch. Cute like lilac purple, and I got a comb set in here. It's probably like a 6-piece comb set. So that's really cool. Y'all know I love free stuff. Then the wig cap. All right, so what we got? What we got in this bag? I love that the wigs come in this bag because you can just store them right in this bag. Okay, first, I'm just loving that they sent me a color number 1. Like, I am so tired of dyeing my wigs or my bundles black. I love black hair. I rarely get wigs or bundles in the color number 1. It's always a natural color, and that's like a color number 2. Already 5 stars for that. It's like a deep, rich black color too. Yes, I'm loving it. So this is the loose wave virgin Brazilian hair. Like I said, color number 1, and this is 18 inches. So it has a natural hairline, it is pre-plucked, and it has baby hairs. Okay, yeah. Let's snatch this baby off. Cover all that up. Push this back a little bit. Like so. So there is lace on the back. So you can wear it up in a ponytail for a more natural look. So let me cut this off right now real quick because I'm gonna cut the front off while it's on my head. Now I like to cut my lace off when it's on my head so I can kind of, you know, sculpt. Kind of try to make the lace mimic my hairline. Okay, let me adjust the straps. This wig construction is just the basic wig construction. Adjustable straps on the back, comb on the back, comb on the front, and 2 on the side. All right, so let's pop her on. How do y'all put y'all wigs on? Because I know people put their wigs on differently. I just put mine on like this. And I just stuff the comb in the back, flip the hair back, kind of position it. And then I do always use my combs on the side. I don't push the combs in too tight because I don't want it, you know, snatching on my hair. So I just kind of softly position the combs. This hair is just so soft, and the curls, look at the curls. Ooh, definitely wearing this to the side like this. This is too pretty, too pretty. I don't know, this side, let me see. I think this side, this is my side right here. Ooh, this hair makes me want to put in my contacts, but I don't even feel like it. Okay, so let's pin this hair back real quick. Let me get like a clip or something. Just about to use this clip here. Pin it back so we can cut the lace off of this thing. So what I like to do before I cut the lace is use some mousse to kind of smooth back the hair so I won't cut any baby hairs. You know, to keep the baby hairs out the way so I won't cut them off. So yeah, that's the secret. Well, not the secret. That's a little hack. So now the baby hairs are back and out of the way. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna style her. Well, I know how I wanna style her. And I'm about to use this rat comb that they provided me with this set. Like I said, I wanna wear this to the side. This looks cute to the side. Like straight out of the packaging, you definitely don't have to like recurl it or anything, but just look how bouncy they are. Okay, so what we need to do right now is mess around with this parting, and I see right now that I'm gonna have to pluck. I'm gonna have to pluck. So let me part this real quick. And let me get some mousse so I can kind of flatten it down a little bit so I can see what I'm working with when I'm parting. I mean, when I'm plucking. All right, so this is before. and this is the hair that I got. Like I said, I don't need to recurl this hair whatsoever because it's just holding up flawlessly. Here's the baby hairs right there. Today, I'm not going to use gel to mold my baby hairs. I'm just gonna use mousse. Let me flatten down this little hump real quick with some mousse. I mean, I don't want it totally flat, but I want it a little flatter than this. Yeah, if y'all have wigs, mousse would do the trick. Like, and it don't have to be any expensive mousse or anything like that. All right, so let's pin this back. I ain't do no baby hairs on the side. Let me cut these baby hairs just a little bit. And I don't cut my baby hairs with scissors. I use this eyebrow arch tool. So the baby hairs won't be so blunt. Yeah, it's good to use mousse if you don't want, you know, all that gel all on your forehead. And the reason I'm using mousse is because I just don't want them, you know, gel down hard right now. So mousse, with mousse you can kind of easily shape them. And I think with mousse it make them look more natural looking because they're not so, you know, like hard on your face. You know what I'm saying? Like once this dry, it's still gonna kind of hold its shape, but it's not gonna be so stuck and, you know, so stuck and stiff. Y'all get what I'm saying? This is about it. I'm trying to see how would I style. I think I like this, right? Like put like a ponytail like that, because y'all already know that I hate hair in my face, because if I leave it like this, I bend down, it's in my face, and I constantly, you know, gotta do that. Look at these curls. Y'all see how much I've been manipulating this hair, right? And these curls ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. I don't know how long the curls will hold up over time. I'm just letting y'all know right now, straight out of the packaging, and with me constantly combing through it, the curls are staying and bouncing back. So, okay, let me see what I wanna do with this. What should I do with this? I know y'all screaming like, leave it alone, leave it alone. I'm curious to see what a middle part look like. So let's see, I'm gonna have to pluck all over again. So I'll be back once I do all that. Middle part, I did the pluck in and the concealer and all that good stuff. I don't know, I like the middle part and the side part about equal, but it's both in my face. So let me take, you know, I'm about to take just a little bit of this hair. I'm gonna have to do my baby hairs over. But y'all see what I was talking about? You see how the baby hairs are still intact, but it's not stuck to your forehead? You see what I'm saying? That's what I like. I'm about to just braid this real quick. So I'm gonna braid this and probably pin it to the back. Oh, look at the cute little bouncy curl. Okay, so yeah, just pin this back like that. Then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. It gives it kind of like a bohemian look. Okay, this is cute. I like this style the best. So this is how I'm going to wear it. As always, the link to this wig will be down below. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.